Alrighty, we're taking a look at apartment hunting in Auson Technical Valley. I'm Steve, the retired hobby tech guy, and today we're going to be looking at apartments trying to find a good deal. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the footage. Okay, so here we are at, where are we at, sweetie? EG the One. So EG the One Apartments, and we're going to take a look at a couple of units to see what they have for an investment opportunity. So we're going to take a look at this little office right here and see what they got. Okay. So this is EG the One complex. This is number 9, and so fairly new. It's only a couple years old. 안녕하세요. I like the greenery. And as an investment property, this should pull in about $1,000 a month, or about $1,200 a month. So it should be good. We'll see how it goes. So, nice. So, entryway, full-size mirror, and full-size tub and bathroom, which is good. Kind of see, yeah. This is a big room.
첫 번째 집은 살림이 많잖아요. 침대를 그렇게 놓고 해서 뷰를 많이 망가뜨리는 거지. 우리는 그대로 보고 살아요.
어디에 포커스를 맞추냐.
그죠? 이게 기본이라고.
It's got its own air conditioner, and this is the living room. And this would be the view. There's going to be no apartments being built here. That's an American style housing. So you get a real good view. And TV plugs. There's another one there, all 220. And it looks nice. End up with like a little induction. LG, nice cabinet space. Nice. Got a little bit of a view out this way, but not too bad. Big sink, which is good. Of course, refrigerator. And this would be the laundry room. So you have laundry hookups, the AC, and then the tankless water heater that you have. So yeah, a little bit of view from here. Good sized kitchen. Nice.
345 million here.
And this is the master bedroom. Again, that would be the view. 19th floor. And I don't know about this. That's kind of an interesting sliding glass door. You definitely have a lot of space. Nice, pretty good. And then the master bath, standing shower, normal. So we got an air conditioner in the master. We've got a big air conditioner here. Wisen. And then we've got like another, this is a very, very small room, as you can see. We paste this out 1, 2, 3, maybe 8.5 by 9. And then this is the emergency exit. But this is a really small, that would be a very small office. And then of course we have pantry, which isn't bad. External storage. So you got 2 units per floor. The underground parking. Yeah. Definitely enough parking. That's always nice. And we have package delivery. So they deliver all the packages here and you can scan and get your stuff, which is nice.
Kids cafe.
Kids playroom. Golf.
아, 뭐가 있나요? 스몰 브라우스 열어보면은 아니면 지문.
It's better than
꽤 크네요. 생각보다 크네.
잘 돼 있어요.
better than ours, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, e.g. the one, complex 9. We're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit. The size is 34 pyong, or about 1,210 square feet. Price is about 330 million won, or $217,000. Monthly rent is currently 1.9 million, or $1,250. Our mortgage, we're looking at 517,000 won, or about $340, with an estimated net profit of about 1.125 million won per month, which, if you do the math, it comes out to about $740 per month. But I'm sure we'll have to pay for internet and water filter service, so it'll probably go down a little bit. But we're thinking an estimated of $650 per month. So in my mind, the math works out, and with the money that we're saving and the money that we're going to be making on this, we should be able to pay off the remainder of our mortgage, which is about 80 million won, in 3 years or less. So that's the goal. So with that being said, I think this looks like a good deal. We just need to find one that is available and, of course, is at a good price. So be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can stay abreast of our apartment investment hunting deal that we've got going on. And again, I'm Steve, the retired hobby tech guy, American expat living in Korea, doing real estate deals and trying to make some money. So with that said, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.